Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up a VPN on Blackview Color 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar, and now you have to type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. Now close this ad and then click allow and click consent. And now you have to click on this button to start your VPN and then click OK. And now close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.